Good evening, children. How are you? I know very well that you are missing your school, friends, and teachers and all the fun. Like you, even we teachers miss you a lot. Expecting this pandemic will come down very soon and we will meet at the earliest and enjoy your school life. Before starting the class, let us recall all the topic which we have already learned till now. Yes, that is comparison of numbers, formation of numbers, expansion of numbers, writing the number names in Indian and international system, and estimation of numbers, and we also learned to solve the problems in the exercise 1.2 which deals with the fundamental operations addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. Now in today's class we will continue with the solving of numbers after estimating it. Yes, so let us start with addition of estimation. Now here I have an example 1476 plus 2958 plus 9650. Let us see how to estimate it to the highest place value and then solve it. Yes, the first number 1476. Here the greatest place value is 1 here and we look at the next number that is 4. So it is estimated to 1000. Same way the next number 2958 is estimated to 3000 and 9615 is estimated to 10,000. Now when we add all this we get the estimated sum as 14,000. Yes, did you understand? Now look, we'll see the example of subtraction. Look here, example 7452 is to be subtracted with 349. Yes, here you can see that the number is 7452 and here it is 349. Before subtracting it, we will estimate these numbers to its greatest place value. So, the first number 7552 can be estimated to, which is the greatest place value here? 7. So, it is estimated to 7000. Similarly, 349. Here, the greatest place value is 3. It is estimated to 300. So, now let us subtract. When we subtract 7000 and 300, we get the answer as 0, 0 here. Here it is 7 and here it is 6. So, the answer is 6700. Yes, did you understand? Yes. Now let us move to the next example of multiplication. Look at the number here 852 is to be multiplied to 69. Before multiplying, let us estimate the number 852 and 69. When 852 is estimated to its greatest place value, that is 8, we get the number as 900. And here the greatest place value is 6. It is estimated to 70. So, now let us multiply this 900 into 70. Can you guess what is the number? Yes, it is 63,000. Yes, when you have zeros, you can multiply the numbers and count the number of zeros here and you can write it. So it is 63,000. Now let us see the division of numbers after estimating. The example is 5,714 should be divided by 23. Yes, before division, we'll estimate 5,714 can be estimated to 6,000 and 23 can be estimated to 20. Yes, here we are estimating all the numbers to the greatest place value. Yes, now let us divide 6,000 by 20. Yes, you know how to divide it? 20, 6,000. 23s are 60 and we have 2 zeros here and we cannot divide further. So those 2 zeros are added here. The quotient is 300. Yes. So did you understand? We have learnt about addition, subtraction, multiplication and division after estimating. Yes. Is it clear, children?